3 ways to cook like an Italian and mistakes to avoid. This is my Sicilian mother-in-law, and it didn't matter what she was cooking, whether it was pasta, fish, or chicken cutlets on Sunday, it was always delicious. My mother-in-law taught me that if you use an egg wash and then breadcrumbs for your meat, whether it be steak, chicken, pork, fish, or whatever, and then use a pan to bake it in the oven, it will turn out very dry. Instead of using an egg wash and baking in the oven, cook the prepared meat or vegetable in a skillet. Use your favorite oil or just use a dry skillet for pan roasting. It'll definitely be much more flavorful and moist. If you want to bake your meat or vegetables in the oven, just be sure to coat with oil and then your breadcrumb mixture. My Sicilian mother-in-law taught me to add seasoning in layers. Plenty of salt should be added to the pasta water so that you can simply drain the pasta, add butter, and it's flavorful enough to eat. I never saw my mother-in-law add oil to the pasta water, and she told me it's a waste of time and money and doesn't keep the pasta from sticking. In fact, I've never seen an Italian in Italy ever add oil to the pasta water. I was taught to cook pasta al dente, which means firm to the tooth, and not to overcook it so that the flavor is gone and the texture is mushy. There's a lot of flavor in that pasta water, so make sure you reserve some in case you need it to finish the dish. A mistake a lot of people make is drowning the pasta in sauce. In Italian homes, the pasta is the star and the sauce is just the complement. My mother-in-law always seasoned her own plain breadcrumbs to dredge meat, fish, or veggies, and she made delicious and fresh-tasting food. You can add freshly grated Parmesan cheese, minced garlic, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, spices, and fresh parsley, but make sure it's the Italian flat-leaf parsley and not the curly type. I'm so grateful my Sicilian mother-in-law taught me to cook authentic Italian food, and now you can too.